Standing out on social media is more critical than ever. And what is a better way to grab attention than with a 3D profile picture? If you have been wondering how to achieve this unique look, you are in the right place. I will show you a simple tutorial on how to create a 3D profile picture in Canva, and I'm here to guide you through it. But before I will show you this method, let's talk about why a 3D profile picture is worth your time. Firstly, having a unique profile picture sets you apart from the standard ones commonly seen. A 3D image can make you stand out in the sea of profiles. Secondly, a captivating profile picture has the potential to increase engagement rate. It attracts more attention to your content, capturing the interests of viewers. Lastly, a 3D profile picture can contribute to your personal and business brand, making you more memorable to your audience. So, how can you create a stunning 3D profile picture in Canva? Begin by logging into your Canva account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and free. Once you are in, select the Instagram square post template. This 1080 by 1080 pixel canvas is perfect for profile pictures. Navigate to the Elements section and search for frames. I recommend using this particle frame as it will enhance the appearance of your profile picture. After that, duplicate the frame. In the next step, fill one circle with a color that represents your brand or personality. This will serve as a background for your 3D effect. Afterward, align the second frame with the first. Now it is time to upload a high quality photo of yourself. Drag and drop this into the canvas. In the next step, I will be using a pro feature of Canva. However, you can easily achieve the same result for free using a dedicated online tool. For users with a pro plan, one of Canva's best features is the background remover. So, you can use it to eliminate any background from your photo, making yourself the main object. In the next step, you should duplicate your picture and then place one of them into the frame. In order to achieve the 3D effect, it is important to align both images precisely. To accomplish this, I recommend using Canva rules and guides which provide precision and accuracy. The ultimate objective is to create a visual appearing pop-up effect that seamlessly merges the two images. Once you are satisfied, group your images. This makes it easy to move and adjust them as one unit. As you can see, we just make a profile picture with a 3D effect. Now you can add some final touches. For example, you can add another circle around your image or adjust its weight and color to complement your 3D profile picture. The final step is to download your profile picture as a PNG image with a transparent background. While this is a paid feature in Canva, you can also use any free background removing tool. Now, you are ready to upload it to your social media profiles and watch the compliments roll in. You should know that creating 3D profile picture in Canva is not just about aesthetics, it's about making a statement. It's telling the world that you are here, you are unique, and you are ready to engage. So, I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. And if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.